How to fix TikTok error unable to authorize. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. First step is that take your internet connection. Make your device has been on a stable internet connection connected to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. So you can try opening other app or website to confirm that your internet is working. So if you have opened up your TikTok app, you can immediately close your TikTok app or restart the TikTok app after that. Also, you can clear the cache of your TikTok app. Just go and long press on your TikTok app, go for the eye icon, and tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache option here. So you have to check for the TikTok update. So if there is any update available, ensure that you are using the latest version. Navigate to your Play Store and search for the TikTok. Once you have searched for the TikTok, here you can see the update available. Just download the latest version of the TikTok available on your device. Also, you can reinstall your TikTok app. You can uninstall and reinstall your TikTok app on your device, which can help you to fix your corrupted app files or settings. By following this step, you should be able to resolve your problem and try again on your TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.